Hello! In today's episode of The Misadventures of Max and Derek, we have a daring reverse camping punish BM karma play, daring rescue operations, a Sasquatch sighting, the new zombie apocalypse mode from Behavior TM, and more. Stay tuned for further hijinks. Yo, Mac, is that you?
Yeah.
Is that you, boo?
That's me, Bay.
The artiste is about to shoot birds here in about 10 seconds. Oh, never mind, just kidding. But as soon as she hooks him, she also pain res. Let go of the gen now. Just in case Dead Man switch pain res. Oh, it's not. Okay, cool. If the birds hit, just power through it. It doesn't stop you from getting up. It could be Dead Man switch. Alright, cool. So, I'd be surprised if he had Dead Man switch and not pain res, to be honest. What the fuck? Is he right here? He's gotta be right here.
Is he just camping this?
Yep. He is. He left me. He's full on camping. Alright, let's go get him then, I guess.
Wow.
Come on, get me, you little fucking bitch. Oh my god, you're the biggest bitch in this fucking solar system, you fucking bastard. Is there a wounded guy going here? I could've swore I saw a wounded guy going here.
Yeah,
I did, okay. Where the hell did you go? Well, that was actually really good. We got 2 gens done as well.
He's probably camping this one too. Should we finish this and then go?
Oh yeah, definitely.
He's camping again.
I should go use reassurance. Like, you go look for a gen. Or, I don't know, one of us should go on a gen and the other 2 should go try to do save. I should use reassurance again. But we should be getting gens done, for sure. Yeah, he's camping it again. Are you fucking kidding me? Doesn't even want to chase me. Alright, I'll just use reassurance through the wall here then, I guess.
I'm assuming the Francis is on a hook. Because I don't see him anywhere. Oh, no, he's not. He's here. How much more time do you have on that?
Dude, what a fucking cunt-ass little bitch. And Michaela. Oh, there we go. Did he get off? No. It's not worth taking 100 hits. That's so stupid. I can reassurance this again. Oh, I need to do it now. Oh, never mind. Just kidding. I will take hits.
Trying to body block for you.
No, I think I'm good. There should be some god pellets in here. Yeah, I make.
He just fucked off because he couldn't get up there.
All right. Well.
Okay, she didn't even chase me. No, she's headed there now. I'm gonna run and find another gen.
Oh, she fucking faked, bro. That was good. She faked me out, brah. I'm gonna take him to killer shake.
Okay, I'm on the gen furthest from there. Ah, fuck.
Oh, what the fuck? I
What?
literally thought I saw him just standing there, but it was like a glitch in the fucking Matrix or something. Like, I don't know what I saw, but it wasn't fucking him. And
I
then he
see
just...
you. If we can find somewhere to heal.
No, he should be behind me. Oh, he's not behind me? Okay.
Very
Okay.
paranoid about these gens.
Well, he should be. He's a fucking little bitch.
I know, but this is like that kind of play style. Just kind of shows why, you know. I don't know. It's very revealing, I guess, of like how bad this person is that he has to camp, and then he came and do that effectively enough. But now he's in a position where he can't even afford to chase because we can get a gen done in the time.
Wait, what about main tower? Is that one done?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
damn.
the one that you were in.
Well, 3 of us are here.
Really?
Where's... Yeah, Francis is over here. Where's Michaela? The fuck is she? Oh, she must be over here. He shot his power this way, so she must be over here somewhere. Yeah, there she is, there she is. Oh, she's headed to the door. We can probably clutch this, I think. Oh no, she's out. Oh wait, I missed. I may have messed up.
Damn it. Oh no, I didn't mean to leave. I was gonna try to do the tech.
Oh my god. That's cool. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck it. I'm just gonna take my chances. Body block for me, body block for me, body block for me, body block for me.
Oh, he did it! Nice.
Fucking little bastard.
That was a really good body block. I actually thought he was gonna.
Oh my god. That was pretty good. That was a huge mistake on my part. He really saved my ass. Holy shit. That was a huge mistake. Oh my god.
Too bad he can't talk back.
Damn. Well, he can still read it. That was pretty good. And he had fucking Spirit Fury. Literally not even a single chase that he would be able to use it because he just camped everything.
He did have pain resonance. I didn't. How did we
kinda,
not get
like,
affected
over
by
it,
that? Now it's over.
Yeah.
He actually just clutched this game because he somewhat camped me and we had a DC. Sucks. I lost a pip for that game, even though I ran his ass for most of that game.
So happens, man.
Legit or anything.
I got unhooked. And you fucking
No.
whipped your basic attack, you fucking little bitch. Wow. Unreal. Fucking whipped his basic attack. gonna let me bleed out for that. That's incredible.
I think he's looking for Hatch.
Why? I don't have anything. It was right there, too. Literally, all I had to do was run in that direction and I would have made it. This was my hook. I literally was right there. But Bill hadn't died yet. Thanks, Bang.
Alrighty then.
Feel invigorated. I got this H2O coursing through my veins. Oh my god, what is that hideous beast? What the fuck? Dude, did you see what just ran by us?
No. Oh, me? Fuck you.
No, not you! There's some... I don't know what it was. It like went over towards the fucking excavator over there.
Oh, I thought you saw me run past you and we were like, dude, that was fucking nuts.
No, not you. It was I'm pretty sure it was a survivor, but like, it looked hideous, like the twins. That's what lesbian means. So, yes. Oh, that actually hit me. I thought I would be alright if I crouched. The survivor team sent the map offering Max. Why?
Oh, I didn't even notice.
Why would they do this to poor old It's Psycho! What? Fucking bastard! I'm going down, dude. I'm already going down.
No, where are you at? Downstairs?
I'm already going down, dude. Oh, I thought he doubled back due to his fucking blinking passive, and he didn't double back at all. Oh.
Why'd I come here?
I don't fucking know, because there's a generator here somewhere. Look at the TV. Oh, great. Sadako's here.
Oh!
I accidentally ran into a corner.
You ran into another one?
There's no god pallet here, Max. Why is there no god pallet here, Max? Why is there no god pallet here, Max? Why is there no god pallet here, Max? This map. Why is there no fucking pallet here either? Why? God, dude.
Took a hit for you, man. You better get out.
It highly depends on if I get this fucking pallet off. I'm basically just gonna have to throw pallet after pallet in order to fucking survive. Oh my god, he's like bloodlust level fucking 10,000. Oh my god, Max.
Pretty impressed with how long you're hanging in there. Yep, there's finally the first gen. Jesus.
I am going down here though. There's nowhere else to run, unfortunately. Unless there's a pallet here, which there's not. So, there you go. It's cool. It's the fucking legacy of the indoor map offerings, dude. Every time a survivor brings the indoor map offering, it's a fucking stealth killer. Alright. Say goodbye to Derek. Say hello to
Stealth God.
Locker Derek.
Locker Derek.
Yep, say hello to Locker Derek. Hope you like Locker Derek, because he's gonna be here for a while.
Fuck.
Got a Jenny done, Max.
Might have been able to finish this chin by now if it wasn't for that. Why can I see her aura?
Wiretap? She's on me, by the way. And I'm in that zone where I already destroyed all the pallets, so... See you in the next one!
I'm gonna come body block for you.
There's no pallets up here, dude. They're literally all gone. You are running the correct direction, though.
Oh, you... You know what? Whatever, that works.
I got the stun, and she was...
I don't know.
Your body blocking was slipping, so... Pretty much had to do that. You really gonna chase me all the way? Okay. I mean,
oh, she phased right through me. I forgot she could do that. Damn it.
Go for the gates, bruh.
I'm tired of you dying, though.
I'm fucking tired of it too. Just go for the gates.
It's rude, by the way. What's rude? Saying you're tired of him dying? No, not like in a... He's not bad. He's
Please
like
tell me this
dying
gate is
for the
open.
heat.
It's not open. It's not even close. Oh my god.
Oh, I thought you were coming to mine. Shit. Body block news to the other one.
Oh my god. You gotta be fucking kidding me, dude. I need another hit. No, I don't. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Oh my god. So done with fucking dying at the last second every game. Jesus. I think. What killer is that? What music is that? I hear his music.
Pretty sure it's Wesker.
Dude, what's going on?
Nemesis!
Oh, wait, I hear his music through your stream. I thought he was right behind me.
Sorry, I brought him to the whole party.
That was hilarious. I thought he was right behind me and he was nowhere near me.
I'm so scared.
You're not be afraid, Max. Or
That's literally all I am.
that's all you are right now.
I fucked up. I fucked up real bad.
It's alright.
No! Oh god, that was so dog shit.
That's pain res, by the way.
Alright.
Alright, thanks to Kindred, I can see that he's going that way. And I can sneak around this way like a sneaky boy. Oh, apparently... Oh my god! Never mind.
Oh.
I'm just gonna get you because I have fucking borrowed time. There's like... I don't think he can really touch you anyway. You're like Harry Potter versus Voldemort. Wait, is he gonna touch you?
He already hit me.
Yeah, but you're good, right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. Jesus, that scared the shit out of me, dude. I was coming around to save you, and he doubled
I
back
love
on my
you
ass.
more than anything, Derek.
Why? Because I didn't let you go to stage 2?
I had a fucking frame left from your borrowed time.
Borrowed time for the win.
And he hit me.
That's awesome.
Fucking hell! God damn it!
What happened?
I got cornered in a room, 2 zombies on either fucking door, and then him standing outside of it. So I had to take a hit from a zombie, and then he just immediately punched me. So I'm on phase 2 now. All I was trying to do is get my fucking vaccine. God damn it.
I'm sorry, Max. I'm sorry, buddy. I really am.
God, I'm the only one who's been hooked so far. All I've done is run and die.
I will die for you, Max. Oh no, there's a zombie coming up to the hook.
Hey.
Oh my god, you've got to be fucking kidding me. Look at this!
Why is there a zombie here?
What am I supposed to do here? Like, the only thing... Oh my god, and now Jill is leading the Nemesis right back. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Whatever, I will die for you.
No, I don't want you to die for me, bud.
Well, I will.
No, you die too much.
It's too bad, this is the only way I can guarantee you can get away. And Jill is still here, waiting around like a fucking idiot. Well... They keep leading Nemesis right back to the hook. I don't know why they keep doing that. Rebecca and Jill have both done that multiple times now.
No!
Max! No! Oh
Zombie came around the corner at the last possible second.
That's too funny. I'm sorry.
I've never had this much good luck with zombies when I've been the killer. That's amazing luck. He's probably just jizzing himself right now because...
And now I'm harassed off a generator by a zombie. Oh my god, dude. This is unbelievable, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna go for the save.
Oh my god, it's a literal zombie apocalypse over here! There's like 100 zombies blocking every fucking exit! You've gotta be kidding me! Dude! What did... Whose cock did this guy suck to get fucking decent zombie AI? Oh my god!
No fucking idea. That's the pain res.
That was unfucking real! The zombies in this game. Oh my god! That actually was kind of cool, though. To be honest. Increase zombie movement speed by 35%, increase mutation rate, and decrease zombie spawn time by 5 seconds. Dude, those fucking zombies. Oh my god. What the fuck?
I used to use that build. Minus the add-ons. But pain res, barbecue, lethal, and I'm all ears? Yeah. So either Wesker or...
What do the crates look like? Describe them to me in exquisite detail and I can tell you which one it is.
Silver?
It's Wesker.
Aren't they also?
That was a joke because Wesker just came out, so it's probably Wesker.
I got up at a high vantage point to see if I could see it from a distance.
It actually is Wesker.
I believe you, it's just like...
Yeah, I mean, he's chasing me right now, so it is.
I understand it's Wesker. I was just saying originally I had gotten up at a high vantage point to see if I could see him before we knew who it was.
Your mama.
Derek, are you sure it's not Michael Myers?
It could be Michael Myers. I don't think it is, but it could be. Fortunately, I have nowhere to run, so I'm going down. Wait, he just left me for no reason? Excuse me? Did he get confused? I think he got confused.
You're just a god.
I am not. He just left me for no reason. I mean, he didn't leave me. He's still chasing me, but he, like... I don't understand. No, I'm dead. Should have faked it. Alright. We got two options. You can leave, or you can go save our friends.
Why does it sound like someone's pissing?
I don't know.
It's you!
What?
It sounds like you're infected, but you're not.
Oh.
That literally sounds like someone's pissing in the bushes.
Wait, I have an idea. I'm gonna drop this and pick it up, and they're gonna see where the gate is.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Because they can see its aura. Hopefully they'll be able to get the fucking picture.
I want to save Leon, but I'm fine with leaving Bill to die, by the way.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, there's Bill.
That's Leon. Oh. Oh, God. We're starstruck again. At least heal him up so he can be his fucking sponge for Leon. Oh, God. We're starstruck, dude. Need to make a snappy decision, dude. We're not gonna have time to wait this out.
Okay, Bill.
Actually, I have Kindred. He's still in Killer Shack. Like, we actually do have time to wait this out.
Wait, where do you
still,
see him?
He's still in Killer Shack. Leon is in the basement, and I have Kindred. He's in the downstairs area, camping, base camping. Now he's in the upstairs Killer Shack. I can see him. One of us has to, like, get his attention or something.
Whoops.
Can't take hits for free, but somebody has to do something. I don't know what to do.
Alright, I go first.
One of us has to do something.
Oh shit, he missed!
There we go,
He
there we
missed.
go, there we go. Alright, he hit me. I'm running for the fucking gate. Getting out of here. Oh shit, I'm not gonna get out of here. I ran into a chest. I'm going down! Make sure to rescue me! Oh, he has fucking Starstruck! Oh my god.
Oh.
He doesn't have Iron Grasp. I might be able to wiggle now.
I don't know
Maybe.
how I wasn't able to wiggle out then, because I, like, was getting perfect wiggles. God damn it, I'm so sorry, dude. I was trying really hard to get ahead of him.
Oh my god. Look at the timer, boys. If I miss a single skill check, I'm dead. Oh my god. I'm blind.
Oh my god.
I'm blind. Where am I running?
You're going the right way. Keep going that way. The perfect
Oh my
body
God.
blocks.
What the
Nice.
fuck, dude? I couldn't see anything!
Oh, he did
What the
agitation.
fuck?
Okay, I thought he had mad grit. Agitation. Okay.
Oh my god, that was really good. Yeah. Damn, bro. There's no pallet, dude. This is the only pallet for miles.
What the fuck?
I don't know. I honestly don't know. I really don't. Kate is here for some reason. It's cool. Maybe, maybe she buys me a window to go heal myself. Nah. What the fuck, dude? This guy is so bad. I don't make that. What the fuck? Why? What? Why did you do that? Oh my... what? What just happened? That was very confusing. Actually, now that I think of it, that could have been a good play. But I didn't know you were going to do that. Oh my god. That's hilarious. Wait a minute. There's still... Oh, that oh my god. I am so fucking bamboozled right now. I am so fucking confused, bro.
I know. I know, I was thinking the same thing. She got max points, though.
Wow, and the hatch is right there, too. Thanks for coming, everyone. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.